International travel doesn't stress me because I eliminate surprises before I leave the United States. These are the 6 things I do before an international trip. And if you do these 6 things, you'll walk into the airport feeling completely different. Welcome to Travel with Buddy and Jordan. I'm Jordan, your co host, Buddy. First, I confirm my international layover time. Here I have a 4-hour layover in JFK, which is good. Then I pull up terminal maps. This is Minneapolis, St. Paul. I normally arrive in B or early C gates, and I got to go all the way to G for international. Paris, Charles de Gaulle. Seriously? Terminal 2A, C, E, L, M, G. It's insane. A lot of these big airports have the moving walkways. I also want to know if they have a tram or a train because this makes getting to all those different terminals so much easier. If you have a tight connection, this step is truly essential. Next, I document my luggage. I photograph both sides of my packed suitcase at home so I can see the contents. And I also have an AirTag tracker inside. At the airport, I photograph each side of my luggage to show the condition before they got it. If something goes wrong, I already have documentation. This happened when I came back from Portugal last year. Got it at Louisville, took it to the baggage claim agent. She saw, yep, before and after, we did it. Easy claim. Next, I set up my phone eSIM. I install that at home. I turn off my US data before departure, and I activate it upon landing in the new country. It works immediately. This saves me so much money. With AT&T, I was paying $120 plus. With the eSIM, 1/10 that, under $12, $13. Amazing. Next, I plan ground transportation. I'll research whether taxi or rideshare is better at my destination. Rideshare, I'll download that app and have an account in advance. And then I'm going to know the route to my hotel. I get to the airport and I'm taking rideshare. Once I get in the Uber, I am going to pull up the map on my iPhone. I know my hotel destination, and I'm going to track that route from the airport to the hotel to make sure my driver is taking me on a direct route and not taking me for a ride. This is critical. I prepare for immigration before boarding. I make sure my passport is valid for the country I'm going to. Then I make sure my ETA or ETIS is complete here. My ETA is still good for England. I make sure my hotel address is known. This is my Airbnb in Portugal, or if I'm in a hotel, I've got this saved to my wallet so I can easily pull up for the address and the return ticket. Here I've got my return flight saved to my wallet, easy to pull up and show immigration. Please be aware that European airports are implementing new electronic entry systems this year, and in certain cities, lines have been significantly longer. Queues up to 4 hours are normal. If you are connecting onward, build extra margin. You will need it. You cannot eliminate all stress when traveling, but you can eliminate almost all surprises, and that changes everything. If you found this useful, you'll find more practical travel guidance here on our channel. For more detailed information from check-in to arrival at your destination, go to our site at buddiestravels.com. Enjoy your trip.